This is a remote learning initiative by Shed Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE Board, New Delhi, located in Vasai, Mumbai, in the state of Maharashtra, India. Myself, Shoma Banerjee. This session is for Junior KG, subject English, topic Practice and Revise Cursive Letters. Children, today we will practice and revise letters from U to X. You have already learned cursive capital letters A to Z. So today we will revise these letters. Children, now let's write. First line we will trace. We will start from this blue line. Go up, touch the red line, come down, touch the blue line, go up, again come down and curve. U for umbrella, V for van. This also you will start from blue line. Go up, touch the red line, come down, touch the blue line, again go up and curve. W for watch. Go up, then come down, touch the blue line, again go up, touch the red line, come down, touch the blue line and curve. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. This is one curve and this is another curve. Now we will write over here. U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree. U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree. Now children, in this way you will complete this page. This is page number 363. Now turn the page. This page number is 364. First we will trace. U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree. U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree. U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree. So in this way you will write full page. Now we will learn letter Y and Z. Y for ya. Go up, touch the red line, come down, touch the blue line, again go up, touch the red line, come down, take a turn and go out. Z for zebra. Start from this blue line. Take a curve, come down, touch the blue line, again take a curve, touch the red line and go out. Now we will revise letter Y and Z. Y for ya. You will start from this blue line. Go up, come down, take a turn, again go up, touch the red line, come down and touch the blue line and take a turn. And Z for zebra. Touch the red line, come down, touch the blue line, curve, again curve. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Now we will write here. Y for yak. Z for zebra. So children, in this way you will write full page. This is page number 375. Turn the page. This page number is 376. Again we will trace these two lines. Y for yak, Z for zebra. Y for yak, Z for zebra. Children, this page also you will complete. So do practice in your English notebook and happy learning.